If I could go back in time, I would tell my younger self, if you don't go through with the surgery, you'll regret it so much that you'll want to go back in time and tell yourself to do it. And that will create a time paradox. So just do it. It's the right thing, and you'll enjoy it so much, especially the maids and the butlers.
If I could go back in time, I would most definitely have the surgery again. It's benefited me in so many ways. Like, I've learned so much about myself. I can conquer anything now. I can feel like I can do anything because surgery is a huge step and it was so hard to overcome, and there was times where I was going up and down and with emotions, and it was just so hard. But with going through that, it helped me out a lot to learn about myself.
Yeah, I would have surgery again if I had to go back, just because it wasn't a big of a deal, kind of. It was just, like, I knew it was for my health, so I had to do it, and I would do it again. It was fun. It wasn't as bad as everyone thinks.
I don't regret making that decision at all because, like, the results are, like, so much better. Like, I'm so much happier with my body, you know? Like, I'm a lot taller and I'm straighter, and I mean, my flexibility is, like, really limited, but I don't know. I just, like, because it was, like, a summer, you know, of my life, whereas, like, now I won't have to worry about it anymore. Whereas if I didn't get it, like, it'd be a problem for the rest of my life, you know?